Apple just finished its WWDC 2025 event, and while they did not go all in on AI this year, the features they did show are smarter, more helpful, and built right into your iPhone. From recognizing things around you to translating call in real time, Apple is making AI a part of your everyday life. Stick around. We will break down each feature with a real example of how it can help you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss the future of the tech. Have you ever seen a cool plant or outfit and wondered what is it that? Now with the Apple new visual intelligence, your iPhone can tell you. Just point your camera on or tap on a photo and the AI will tell you what you're looking at. It could be the name of flower, the brand of a jacket, or info about the restaurant in the background. Even better, it works while you are scrolling on your phone. Say you see a photo of a car or a tourist spot online, visual intelligence can research it for you using the tool like Google or ChatGPT. This feature will be part of iOS 26 coming later this year. No more guessing, just ask your iPhone. Apple added ChatGPT to its image playground tool and it's awesome for creating fun and unique pictures. You can take in anything like a dog flying a kite in anime style and the AI will draw it for you. What it in watercolor or oil painting. Just pick a style. This is perfect for the school projects, social media posts, or just having fun with your ideas. And if you don't know how to describe it, ChatGPT will help you write the prompt. You think it, AI draws it. That's the creative power at your fingertips. Trying to stay fit? Meet workout buddy. Apple new AI that talk to you while you exercise. When you go for a run, it give you encouragement like that was your fastest mile. It track your heartbeat, speed, and even celebrate your milestone. After you work out, the AI gives you a summary what you did well and what to improve. It's like having a coach in your ear, but you don't have to pay monthly fee. Motivation, progress, and support, all powered by AI. Talking to someone in different language, Apple Live Translation can help you in real time. If you want a face-to-face call, it show live caption in your language. You are on a phone call and the AI speak the translation out loud while you are talking. Imagine traveling abroad and speaking to locals or having a smooth conversation with a client who speaks Spanish, Chinese, or French. No more language barrier, just easy communication. Thanks to AI. Tried up spam or unknown calls? Apple new AI now screen those calls for you. When someone unknown call your iPhone, answer in the background. The AI asks you who they are and why they are calling. Then tell you. You decide if you want to pick up or not. They'll also hold assistance. If you are waiting on hold, AI listen for the music to stop and alert when you real person back on the line. Save time, avoid scams, let AI do the thing boring stuff. Ever had a group chat where no one can agree on what to do? Apple AI now suggests polls right inside the message app. So if you are chatting about where to eat or what movie to watch, AI will say what to make a poll, and boom, everyone can vote. It make group decision quick, fair, and fun. Apple Shortcut app is getting smarter with AI. Now you can build custom shortcuts that summarize info, give reminders, or even write notes using AI. And the Spotlight search is smarter too. It learns what you usually do and suggests it at the right time. For example, If you always open a note after a call, Spotlight will suggest it. It's like your phone knows your habits and help out without you asking. Little time savers, big impact. Developers now have access to Apple Foundation model, which means the app you use every day could soon get smarter too. Even without an internet connection, these models can run AI right on your device, faster and more private. Think of offline AI helping you writing, image editing, or organizing your file. Smarter apps are coming up, and they are built with the Apple intelligence. And yes, one thing is missing: Siri. Apple say major AI change for Siri are coming up, but not until next year. So we will have to wait for the smart assistant upgrade. But with everything else already rolling out, there is still a lot to be excited about. From workout to phone calls to image search, Apple is quietly turning your phone into the super smart tool using AI. No extra apps, no tech skill needed, just a useful tool that fit into your life. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like, leave a comment, and hit a subscribe so that you don't miss the full Siri reveal next year or any more AI related features into your smartphone and also how AI is evolving the world. Apple Intelligence is just getting started, and so are we. Hit a like button, subscribe, and see you in the next AI updates. Bye bye.